You guys, and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be working on a 2023 Honda HRV. We're going to be doing our 5% ceramic in the back half and a 35% ceramic in the driver and passenger. This is going to be a easier installation. $425 leaves us with a pretty good margin. The roll of film is $369. Actually, I believe it's $359, and we are able to do quite a few cars with 100 feet of film. The exact amount depending on what type of vehicles you service and if you're doing 5 in the back or 5 all the way around. But typically a back half will last you, a 5% for example, will last you anywhere from 5 feet, let's say about 10 feet. It'll last you anywhere from like 7 to 8 back halves on a car, and then that'll leave some room for waste. So let's go ahead and get started. First step is to pull the vehicle in. We're going to plot out the material. I plotted out on a plastic table, and then we're going to begin prepping and installing the windows. Enjoy the rest of this video, guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and start prepping the back windshield. I just need to spray pad, wipe it off, and get started.